We can apply styling to charts, tables, and other objects in our stories using the Designer panel. Some elements of styling are configured as part of the data being presented. The color of the bars, lines, bubbles, and so on that represent data points in charts, for example, is determined either by the palette defined here for the selected dimension or measure, or, as in this case, by thresholds defined to apply conditional formatting. Refer to the videos on building charts, creating custom color palettes, and setting story thresholds for details. Most of the formatting options, however, are available on the Styling tab. Note that the outline of the selected object changes from blue to orange to indicate that we've switched to styling. Here we can see which object is selected, and all options available for that object. For example, for the chart, we can define settings for the widget that contains the chart components that are included in digital boardroom agendas and dashboards, individual data points, fonts, number formatting, labels, and axes. Note that we can select not only the chart itself, but also parts of the chart, each of which has its own options. For individual data points, such as bars, lines, or bubbles, note that we can apply colors independent of the color palette applied for the entire dimension or measure. Different objects in the story have specific options, including text objects, the text they contain, images, shapes, pages, lanes, tables, and the individual cells the tables contain. Note that there are also some specialized styling options for tables, such as templates, styles, and formatting rules. Refer to the video on applying styling to tables for more details. For geomaps, in addition to the styling options here, we can also change the look of the map within the layers by changing the underlying base map or adjusting the color, opacity, and size of data points. Thanks for watching.